Elihu teaches wise men and men of learning that God is not a person who seeks justice, but rather a just and mighty one who punishes those who do wrong. Job, despite being innocent, is considered a liar and a sinner, as he drinks scorn like water and associates with evildoers. He believes that there is no profit in trying to please God. Elihu emphasizes that God is not a person who does evil or perverts justice. He is the one who judges kings and nobles, favoring the rich over the poor, and removes the mighty without human intervention. God's eyes are on mortals' ways, and there is no deep shadow or darkness where evildoers can hide. He has no need to examine people further for judgment, as he sees their every step and punishes them for their wickedness. Job's words lack insight, and if someone asks God to teach them what they cannot see, they must decide on their terms. However, when they refuse to repent, they must decide on their own terms. Men of understanding declare that Job speaks without knowledge and his words lack insight. To test Job, they declare that he speaks like a wicked man, adding rebellion and scornful words against God. In conclusion, Elihu's teachings emphasize the importance of understanding and discerning what is right and good. He encourages wise men to listen to God and learn from his words, as Job's actions demonstrate his lack of knowledge and understanding.